In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to summarize a YouTube video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a link, prompt Gemini clearly, and get a concise, useful summary you can refer back to for notes, research, or quick recaps. First, open Gemini in your app or browser and make sure you're signed in. Being signed in helps your conversation history stick around, so you can revisit the summary or refine it later without losing your place. If you're using a browser, keep Gemini open in one tab so it's easy to jump back. Next, open the YouTube video you want to summarize. It could be a long talk, a tutorial, or a news segment, anything where a quick overview would save you time. Give it a quick look to confirm it's the correct video and that it's publicly accessible. Private or age-restricted videos might not provide the captions or transcript needed for a thorough summary. Now copy the video's URL. On desktop, click the address bar and copy the link. On mobile, tap Share, then copy link. Both the full youtube.com link and the youtube.be short link work fine. Head back to Gemini and paste that link into the chat box. Right after the link, add a short, clear prompt. Simple works best. You can say, "Summarize this video," or "Give me the key takeaways from this video." If you know what you want, be specific. Ask for a brief overview in a few sentences, a structured list of insights, a summary tailored to beginners, or even a plain language explanation. Clear instructions help Gemini focus on what matters to you. Press Enter or Send. Gemini will generate a summary using the video's captions or transcript. If the video has solid captions, you'll usually get a coherent overview of the main points, any steps covered, and notable conclusions. If captions are missing or incomplete, the summary might be shorter or more general. In that case, try asking for the big picture takeaways or a high-level recap. From here, refine as needed. If it's too long, ask Gemini to condense it. If it's too short, request more detail on a particular section or concept. You can also ask for definitions of unfamiliar terms, a quick list of action items from the video, or a summary written for a specific audience, like students or busy professionals. That's it. Paste the link, prompt clearly, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. Give it a try with your next long video and save yourself time while staying informed.